looking at function notation. So you would be used to seeing your graphs that you're looking at with the y equals notation. We can also write f of x, and we say it as f of x, the function of x, or the function with respect to x. So we've got a f of x is equal to x minus 2 squared. If we want f of 4, that means wherever we see an x, we're going to write 4. So we'll have 4 take away 2 squared. 4 take 2 is 2. When we square it, we get 4. If we've got negative 4, that means we've got negative 4 take 2 squared. Negative 4 take 2 is negative 6. When we square it, we get 36. Then we can also sub in a letter. So if we've got f of a, we're just going to write a take 2 squared. We can also add and subtract functions and multiply, etc., just going through the same process. We can also do where we have find x if f of x equals 9. So that's where we'll then write 9 is equal to x minus 2 squared. So we'll do the square root. So that means we get square root of 9 is x minus 2. Now that means we can have plus or minus 3 is x minus 2. So we've got that x will equal negative 3 plus 2 or positive 3 plus 2. So we've got negative 3 plus 2 would be negative 1, or 3 plus 2 is going to be equal to 5. So if we checked that back in our original, if we did negative 1 take away 2, we would get negative 3. When we square it, we would get positive 9. If we put in a 5 take away 2 is 3. When we square it, we get 9.